Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the only reliable setup, a USB-C capture link into a capture card and a recorder. Connect the glasses to the capture device, then the capture device to your phone or laptop. Once done, plug in a high-capacity power bank with pass-through so recording won't stop when battery drops. Make sure resolution is set to 1080p or 720p to extend recording time while keeping usable quality. This is why you avoid internal recording limits. Next, configure your recorder for long continuous capture. Pick H, 264, and a moderate constant bitrate around 6 to 10 megabits per second so files stay manageable. Once done, attach an external SSD or a high-speed SD card and format it to XFAT to avoid 4 GB limits. Make sure to enable autosave and file segmentation into 30 to 60-minute chunks. This prevents data loss if power glitches and makes post-production easier. These steps preserve footage and keep the stream stable. Finish with a full systems check. Run a 10-minute test to confirm audio/video sync, storage write speeds, and how hot the glasses get. Once verified, position cooling airflow and turn off Bluetooth or Wi-Fi if not needed to reduce thermal throttling. Make sure your capture app auto reconnects or resumes. If recording does stop, immediately reconnect the capture cable, and the recorder will usually continue writing to the next segment. This quick recovery keeps the session continuous with minimal lost footage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.